G'day everyone, just a little one for all of the customers for G Series who are going to attempt to fit their kit themselves or just maybe diagnose a few things and see if their kit is fitted correctly. Some mechanics do like to run coolant lines in certain places where we like to run them to the back of the motor. I just want to run through a few things, new things on the G Series kits, even the OPR 40 from TurboSmart, our new air filter. Just run through a few important things that get overlooked and we want to make sure they're done correctly. First thing we want to really look at is the boost and vacuum line, and it's just tucked down in there. It's very hard to see, and we've got some other photos of this install of this car, just how to fit it and where to run it. And it runs down through the back of the aircon out there and really just tucks in nicely in here. So
this one here.
Yeah, that's right. And then it's all zip tied off on the ends, which is really important. And next one we really want to look at would be the OPR. We've never really done an OPR video on the G Series kit before, but we're going to offer this as an upgrade. So it really is good protection for your turbo. It will only allow 40 PSI of pressure at the turbo, because sometimes, you know, this does get up 115, 120 PSI on startup. So the OPR 40 is a really good upgrade, and we will have that available for anyone with a G Series kit that can literally bolt that straight on. With the OPR 40, we want to show you where the oil comes from out of the block. And it is pretty hard to see, but just down the bottom on the block there, you'll have an Allen key fitting, and we've got some little videos taking that out and some photos as well. And that then runs up, and this is a really good design, this V2 OPR. The early edition, you had to return oil, say, back into your cap somewhere, then, you know, to get a billet cap, drill and tap. This one, just internal bypass. So it's just a straight shot. There's nothing to bleed off. Really, really good and fantastic for the turbo as well. With the upgrade kit, which I can definitely highly recommend, it does come with our new SME fittings. I really love these fittings. It's the purple and bronze fitting. This itself is just your little OPR, so it's just this here. This is the OPR 40 from TurboSmart. And then what we'll give you then is the fittings that go into the block, this rear line here, and then your front line that goes into your turbo. So you just undo your old line and put the new line on. We also would like to go through in a bit more detail of the water lines, the coolant lines, where we run them. So we don't just flop them down where they can get hit by the fan or anything like that. We run them away from the hot side of the turbo. We'll run them directly to the cold side and around the side, up the side of the motor there and into the back of the motor, but we'll show you where that goes. The next thing we want to show you in detail is where the coolant lines go. So this line here running vertically down, that does come from the throttle body, right underneath the motor and down the back here. And what we want to do is take that line off. So there's a clamp there, we've loosened the clamp, and we've just broken the seal off this rubber line just by getting a pair of pliers from underneath, giving it a little twist just to make sure it's going to come off nice and easy. And then what we want to do is then fit our lines that we supply. So this line here, these two lines come off the turbo, and the line that coming off the motor will go back onto our line here with the brass fitting, and then this line then goes back onto the back of the motor to complete the circle. All right.
Yep.
Another really cool feature that we've added into all of our turbo kits now, the TurboSmart kit, the G Series kits, and the F-Bomb kit, is our new air filter. So this has been a long time coming. Just struggled to get the right size filter. It's just something we always really wanted to do, and I just love it. It fits absolutely perfectly fine. You can see it's exactly what we wanted, obviously. Yeah, we're really proud to have our own air filter amongst all our kits now. I would recommend, maybe every few years, maybe every 12 months, depends on how much you are using your car. You do obviously want to upgrade your air filter from time to time, or just, at least wash it or buy a new one. And if you are going to buy a new one, get in contact with us. We will be adding these to the website, as this is a really good upgrade for anything pre-2025 on F-Bomb, G Series, any kits we've ever done. One other really cool thing that we do have available on the website is the Ultimate Cooling Package. This is for anyone who is tracking their car, or really in Australia, obviously we get in those 40-45 degree days. You just want something that's going to work a bit better than what you have previously, which may be the Spec S, and maybe no oil cooler kit. Maybe you've got a really small oil cooler kit you had NA, tried to keep it turbo, you want to upgrade the whole package. It comes with our thermostatic oil cooler kit, really nice lines obviously, and our Spec RS intercooler. Now this intercooler comes with the mounting brackets, all the hardware for the oil cooler, has provisions for the oil cooler and the intercooler in the one bracket, and you buy it off the website and upgrade your whole package. I hope we've explained a few things for anyone that is looking to maybe fit their own turbo kit. If you have any other questions, obviously don't be afraid to shoot us a message or give us a buzz, shoot us an email, and we're happy to help either way.